Imagine you are in a room. It is very quiet. You have a book in your hands. You look at the words, but your heart feels heavy. You think, English is too hard. You feel a little bit of fear. This is what we call language anxiety. It is that small voice that says, I cannot do this. Please take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Many students feel this way. You are not alone. You want to learn, but the world is very loud. Your phone makes a sound. People talk outside. Your desk is messy. All these things make your brain feel tired. When your brain is tired, learning feels like a mountain you cannot climb. But what if I told you that the secret is not in the book? The secret is in the space around you. Today, we are going to find your purpose. Your purpose is your why. Why do you want to speak English? To travel? To make friends? To get a better job? When you have a perfect space, you have the power. This is called autonomy. You are the boss of your learning. In this video, I will show you how to build a study home, a place where the fear goes away, a place where you feel strong. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where and when to study. You will start your journey to mastery. Let us begin, slowly and together. Where do you sit when you study? Do you sit on your bed? Do you sit in the kitchen? The place you choose is very important. Your brain is like a little bird. It needs a safe nest. If the nest is noisy, the bird cannot rest. If your study space is messy, your brain cannot think. The science of the happy brain. There is a special idea called the Goldilocks Zone. Do you know the story of the girl and the 3 bears? One porridge was too hot. One was too cold. One was just right. Your study space must be just right. If it is too loud, you cannot hear your thoughts. If it is too dark, you feel sleepy. We want the middle. We want a space that feels calm. Maria's kitchen table. Let me tell you about Maria. Maria is a mother. She wanted to learn English for her job. She tried to study at the kitchen table, but her children were playing. The TV was on. Maria felt angry and sad. She thought, I am bad at English. But Maria was not bad at English. Her space was just too hot. One day, Maria moved a small table into the corner of her bedroom. She put a small lamp on it. She told her family, when I am here, please be quiet. Suddenly, Maria could remember new words. She felt happy. She had autonomy. She chose her space. When you find a quiet corner, your brain relaxes. You stop worrying about the noise. You start focusing on the words. Now, let us talk about the clock. Time is a gift, but we use it in different ways. Some people are morning owls. They have much energy when the sun comes up. Some people are night birds. They like the quiet of the moon. Intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation. Why do you study at a certain time? Extrinsic motivation is when you study because you have to, like a test at school. This feels like work. Intrinsic motivation is when you study because you want to. This feels like a hobby. If you pick a time that feels good for you, it becomes intrinsic. You do it because it makes you feel proud. Ahmed's morning coffee. Ahmed works in an office. He tried to study English at night. But at night, Ahmed was very tired. He looked at his English book and he fell asleep. He felt like a failure. Then Ahmed changed his plan. He woke up 30 minutes early. He sat with a cup of coffee. The house was silent. He studied for only 15 minutes. Because he was not tired, he learned more in 15 minutes than he did in 2 hours at night. Ahmed found his Goldilocks time. It was just right. Do not force yourself to study when you are tired. Listen to your body. If you feel bright in the morning, study then. If you love the night, study then. When the time is right, the learning is easy. Your eyes see everything. If your desk has old food or many papers, or your phone, your brain gets confused. To reach mastery, you must clear the path. The science of one thing. Our brains like to do one thing at a time. This is very simple science. If you see your phone, you think about your friends. If you see a toy, you think about playing. Put only 3 things on your desk: your book, a pen, and a glass of water. This tells your brain it is time for English. Ken's big presentation. Ken had to give a presentation in English at his school. He was very nervous. His room was a mess. He could not find his notes. He felt a lot of language anxiety. One Saturday, Ken cleaned his desk. He put a picture of a mountain on the wall. He said, "This mountain is my English goal." Every time he sat down, he saw the mountain. He felt strong. Ken practiced his presentation in his clean space. Because the space was organized, his mind was organized. He gave a great presentation. He felt the joy of mastery. A clean space is a clean mind. You do not need a big room. You only need a small, clean, beautiful spot. We have learned a lot today. Let us remember the main points. First, find your quiet place. Look for your Goldilocks zone. Not too loud, not too busy, just right. Second, find your perfect time. Do not study because you must. Study when you have the most energy. Use your intrinsic motivation. Third, keep it simple. Remove the things that make you lose focus. You are on a journey to mastery. It is okay to go slow. It is okay to be a beginner. Every expert was once a beginner who did not give up. Your small step today. I have a task for you. It is a very small step. Today, find one place in your home. It can be a chair, a corner, or a desk. Clean that one place. Put your English book there. That is all. You have started. You have taken autonomy over your learning. Do you have a favorite place to study? Please write a comment below. I want to read about your study space. Tell me, is it in the morning or the night? If you liked this video, please click the like button. It helps our community grow. Please subscribe to join us on this journey to mastery. You are doing a great job. English is a beautiful door, and you have the key. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.